Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the holistic health coach. A very quick question: how many celebrities do you follow? Actors, cricketers, fashion influencers. Now another question: how many of them follow you back? Since it's important to respect the celebrities, they have worked hard towards their craft. That's why they are celebrities and you follow them. But the pitfall is when you follow them blindly. You respect them, you get inspiration from them, but when you start following them blindly, you imitate them, you waste your time, and it's rightly said, time is money. So you are losing on your money. You are not understanding your own potential. You are not working hard on your craft. So that's the pitfall. What we have done is we have built temples in our hearts for people who sell us things we don't need. Sometimes they are selling gutka, fairness creams, fake dreams. And today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji at tongue 608 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. It shakes us awake like a thunderclap. किस हो जाची किस आराधी जा सबको कीता सोई. Who should I ask? Who should I worship? All were created by him, the ultimate Data. So here Guru Sahib is saying everyone is his creation. You see, we have placed our trust in names, not naam. Celebrities sometimes, as I told you, they do sell harmful products, and yet we copy their hairstyles, their diets, and sometimes even their sins. So now Guruji says, Jojo disse vada vadera so khaku ralsi, which means whoever appears to be the greatest of the great shall ultimately be mixed with the dust. The mighty will become dust. Whether it's a superstar or CEO, their body will be firewood for the pyre. So why waste your soul's energy bowing before our fellow mortals? Now here's the shift. Nirpo Nirankar Pavkhandan Sab Sukh Nav Nid Desi, which means the fearless, formless Lord, the destroyer of fear, bestows all comforts and the 9 treasures. So it's so beautiful. The fearless, formless one is the giver of peace, joy, and treasure. He doesn't need Instagram followers. He needs your trust. He doesn't take endorsement deals. He gives you eternal blessings. You know, a friend of mine spent lakhs of rupees on visiting celebrities' retreat. Came back even more confused than ever. But now, visit to Gurdwara, sitting in peace with Shabad Kirtan, tears rolled down. She found clarity not from glamour, but from Gurbani. So next time when you feel small because you are not rich, not famous, pause, please. Because Vaheguru made you just like Vaheguruji made everyone, made them. And in his eyes, you are not less. So let's stop worshipping those who will return to dust and start remembering the one who gave breath to the dust. I repeat, let's stop worshipping those who will return to the dust and start remembering the one who gave breath to the dust. So implement today's Hukamnama and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. ਸਰਬੱਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.